If you want to take high resolution photos on the iPhone 17, then first of all we can open settings. Next we're gonna go to camera settings, and then over here we can open formats. In formats, the camera capture can be set to high efficiency. It is set by default like this, but of course we can switch it to high efficiency in case you changed that a while ago. Also, we can enable resolution control so that we can actually take photos using 48 megapixel camera. So once we have this set up, if you open the camera, you can make sure that the night mode is disabled, live mode as well, and the flash should be off as well. With these options disabled and without the macro mode, and over here also in the upper left corner we can tap on HEVC or JPEG depending on the format, but most likely you have HEIC because we have switched to high efficiency. And over here we can switch to 48 megapixels. So with all of these different things disabled and the flower being off as well, now once you take a photo, you should be able to actually do this using the 48 megapixel camera. Let me actually pick up the phone for a second. There we go, and let's see if it's gonna be 48. Yeah, there we go. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.